everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life with Kiara. A very special thanks to all those subscribers who subscribed to my previous video. Today I'm very excited to be making rainbow colored droplets. These look very colorful and very fun to make. Since we're dealing with food, you should wipe the table clean and wash your hands. The things you'll need are scissors and a glass of water. So let's see what's inside the packet, shall we? Okay. Whoa. Oh, that's so cute. Whoa. Look at this. So many colorful things. Whoa. Heaps of things in here. So here we have the tray, a spoon, a water dropper, the gummy mold, the gummy powder, the juice powder, and also last but not least the yellow, blue and red dye. So first we'll take our tray that we cut out and we need to put water up to this middle line. And we'll take our juice powder, pull it off, and we'll need to put water in to the middle. Please don't. Perfect. And then we need to put it in and mix it very well until all the powder is dissolved. It smells like orange juice. And mix it very well. So after that we need to take this big tray over here and we need to pour in our made juice into these 6 flower compartments up to this line in the middle. And now we kind of do the same thing by pouring in the water up to the 3 lines. Now we pour in our red, blue and yellow powder into the trays. So now we're going to be making the colours. Now for those of you who don't know their colours, there's a little guide on the back of the sheet. And first we're going to be making purple. So purple is red and blue. Red and blue. That's enough. And I'll mix it afterwards, and we're going to be making orange, so yellow and red. And green is yellow and blue. Yellow and blue. And now I'm going to mix it. Maybe from like that. The next step is to put all of our 6 colors into our 6 containers so that it will harden. Okay, and I'm going to do it for the red. And the blue. And I'm also going to do it for the secondary colors. And our orange. I'll spin it at least our purple. We're on to our second last step. We're going to now scoop out any coloured gummy and place them in our tray. Be sure not to stack these on top of one another and have them laid down in one layer. The Kracie set comes with 7 different types of trays, so it won't have all the shapes that we see on the packet. My tray comes with a penguin, a fish, a snowflake, and a crown. Right, let's start decorating. So the last step is to put the gummy powder into the tray. But to make things easier, I'm going to put it into a bowl. Quite a lot in there. And then now I'm going to sprinkle some up to the top. So this is how it should look like once we've put the powder on top. What we now need to do is use the eyedropper to put the juice on to harden the powder a little bit at a time. Now we need to wait 1 minute for it to harden. Now we need to flip out these gummies by turning them over and popping them out. We couldn't put too much liquid on the back, otherwise it doesn't set properly. So when we turn them over, if there's any areas that haven't set, we'll put some juice on this to harden again. So cute. I think we need to put a little more liquid on the eyes of the penguin now. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the fish. Ooh, it's a little sticky. Well, the bottom, the base of it is really sherbety, and when you eat it together, it's sweet and sour because like the bubble thingamabobs are sweet, and the sherbet is kind of a little bit sour, and the bubbles kind of look like caviar, and they're so colourful. So everyone, I hope you liked the rainbow coloured droplets. They were so yummy and colourful. In my next video, I'll be making one of my all-time favourite foods, sushi. I hope you look forward to this as much as I do. So guys, if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Ciao ne! It's fine. Why? What am I? So good. I especially love the sherbety taste underneath. Now it's time for me to enjoy what I've made.